So this shock flow charging cable, it actually comes in this nice portable carrying bag, which I really like because this is not only meant for home use but also mobile. You can take this with you when you go on any kind of road trips when you possibly might need to charge this at a different location. So comes packaged nicely, has instructions. It has the charging unit here, and it has the wall-mounted holder for the actual unit right here. There's 2 screws and some anchors to be able to mount that to the wall. And then this is what they call the J1772 plug. This is kind of the charging standard that most electric cars are using, all the ones except Tesla. And for Tesla, you just need an adapter. So this would just plug right into your car, or you plug your adapter on, it'll plug right into your Tesla, and then this plugs into the wall. You don't have to hardwire this. This simply plugs into your NEMA 1450 plug. NEMA 1450 is kind of a standard for a lot of electric car charging outlets. This is the same as a dryer outlet. So if you're getting an electric car, you'd really just want to tell your electrician, wire me a dryer outlet, or you could just say the NEMA 1450 outlet in your garage. A lot of them you're gonna want to get those as a 50 amp on a 50 amp breaker with 6 gauge wire. And then this adapter here, so if you have a Tesla, this works great if you have a Tesla. What I recommend doing though, ShockFlow makes this probably looks familiar. This is the J1772 plug adapter to Tesla. So all you simply do to be able to charge this to charge a Tesla is you simply just click down the button, snap on the adapter, and then now this will plug right into your Tesla charging port. One recommendation, if you're going to use this for your Tesla, I would buy an extra one of these. Now, most of the time Tesla is going to include this. You'll have one already in your car, but you want to have one of these in your car. And then if you're going to use this charging, the J72 charging cable, you want to have one of these on there full time, so that way you're not having to use the one from your car. So you have this on there full time. Getting the tape measure out to measure the overall length, we're right at 20 feet right here. So it's just a little bit over 20 feet if we were able to straighten it out all the way.